Hello, I'm Adam, and today we are going to discuss Resonon's outdoor hyperspectral imaging system. The outdoor system is used to acquire hyperspectral data in an outdoor environment and contains all hardware and software necessary to acquire and analyze hyperspectral data. Here is the outdoor system. Here's the hyperspectral camera with objective lens. Here's a tripod and rotational stage, a battery pack for external power, and a data acquisition computer with software. This computer has an extra bright screen so it can be viewed in sunlight and is ruggedized for outdoor use. The software also has many tools for hyperspectral data analysis and visualization. The data comes in standard binary formats, so you can access it with our software or any other standard software tool, such as MATLAB, NV, Fortran, Python, C++, etc. In the outdoor system, raw data can be converted to reflectance by using a calibration standard, which comes with every system. All components are stowed in a protective case with wheels and a handle to enable safe, simple transport of your system to the data acquisition site. The system is easy to use and contains all hardware and software necessary to acquire and analyze hyperspectral data. We offer a selection of hyperspectral cameras for use in the outdoor system. Our cameras cover the visible, ultraviolet, and infrared spectral ranges. Note that our hyperspectral cameras use a line scan push broom approach to imaging, where each camera frame is a single line of data and a full two-dimensional image is produced by rotating the camera and stacking the lines next to each other. You can download sample data from our outdoor system along with our hyperspectral data analysis software for free from the downloads page at our website. Please contact us with any questions. You can call or email, and please visit our website at www.resonon.com. This has been an overview of Resonon's outdoor hyperspectral imaging system. Thank you for your time.